Hi everyone! I am Zana Marie B. Plona, and today we will tackle about the mastitis test and the somatic cell count. But first, I will introduce to you what is mastitis test and the somatic cell count. Mastitis is one of the most common problems in dairy cows. It is the swelling of the udder, usually caused by the germs, and it lowers milk production and quality. Because of this, farmers and veterinary use tests to find mastitis early and prevent bigger losses. There are different mastitis tests such as California Mastitis Test or CMT, strip cup test, pH test, and milk culture. These tests help in finding both clinical mastitis, which is there are changes in milk that can be seen, and subclinical mastitis or the hidden cases with no clear signs. Another important tool is the somatic cell test or the SCC. Somatic cells are mainly white blood cells that increases when the udder is infected. A low SCC means the cow is healthy, while a high SCC shows mastitis or poor udder health. Both mastitis test and SCC are very important in keeping a cow healthy, producing healthy milk or a clean milk, and supporting good dairy farming.
So, let's proceed to new technologies applied in mastitis test and somatic cell count. So first, we have portable and farm sensors. So, small devices attached to milking machines measures SCC, electrical conductivity or milk color changes in real time. So the second one is automated somatic cell counters. So use digital imaging and fluorescence staining to automatically count somatic cells. So the third one is biosensors and lab on a chip. So miniaturized chips detect biomarkers of mastitis like enzymes, proteins, or bacterial DNA from small milk samples. So the fourth one, PCR or polymerase chain reaction and qPCR. So this technology detects DNA of mastitis causing bacteria directly from milk. So the next one is smartphone-based imaging. So these phone cameras with special apps or attachment analyze milk drops for somatic cells. One, machine learning and data analytics. So computer programs analyze SSC trends, milk yield, and cow health records to predict mastitis risk. In short, these new technologies make mastitis detection faster, more accurate, and possible on farming, reducing losses in milk production.
Good day everyone. So let's talk about the importance. So the first is that health detects mastitis early. So the test shows if a cow has mastitis and other infections before it becomes severe, and early detections means that you can treat the cow right away. The next is prevent milk loss and damage to udder. If mastitis is untreated, the udder may get permanently damaged and stop producing milk properly. Testing avoid these problems. So the next is the safe treatment cost when caught early. So treating mastitis in its early stage is cheaper and easier compared to treating to a severe infections. So the next is the keep milk safe and clean. So mastitis cause pus bacteria and other harmful substances to mix with milk. So testing helps ensure that only clean, safe milk is sold or consumed. The next is the protect cows' health. Mastitis can make cows sick and weak, so regular testing helps keep them healthy and productive. The next is the show milk quality and udder health. So SCC measures the numbers of somatic cells and mainly white blood cells in milk. So a healthy cow has fewer cells, more cells mean infections or stress. So the next is the high SCC. So equals is infections or mastitis. So a high count means that a cow body is fighting infections in the udder, usually mastitis. The next is the low SCC equals healthy udder and good milk. So a low count means that the udder is healthy and the milk is high quality, safe, and fit for sale. And the next is use a standard check in the dairy industry. Dairy farms and milk buyers and regularly check SCC as unofficial measures of milk quality. The next is the affect milk price and market value. If SCC is low, a good quality, farmers can sell milk at a higher price. If SCC is high, poor quality, milk may be rejected or bought at a lower price.
For our conclusion, we can say that mastitis testings and somatic cell count are very important in dairy farming. These two are the main tools used to detect early udder infection early, which help protect the cow's health and also maintain good quality milk. Before, we mostly relied on traditional tests like California mastitis test and somatic cell count. And these have proven to be reliable indicators. But now, with the modern technologies such as portable sensors, automated counters, biosensors, PCR tests, and even smartphone-based tools, farmers can monitor other health faster and more accurately. When we combine traditional methods with the new innovations, it does not only make disease control easier and less costly, but it also improves milk safety, increases market value, and supports the sustainability of the dairy industry. That's all, everyone. Thank you.